Meteorologist Lauren Jones back with us now. We always like to share some viewer photos with you, especially this time of year when it's so pretty. And today we have an award-winning photograph from an award-winning photographer.
I know, the photographer is spectacular, and even though it feels like summer, we've still got those fall colors. I couldn't quite get a fall color picture in my own backyard, so I snapped a pic of my neighbors, but got a great looking tree over their fence there. So don't forget that you can always share those photos on our Facebook page, or you can email us. So send in those. We love sharing those. We've got that late October sunshine, especially in Harlan County as we near the sunset hour. Just that gorgeous low, the long shadows. Temperature-wise, not quite feeling like late October, though. It's actually feeling a little bit more like summer. 77 degrees, the high for Lexington today. We should only be climbing up into the mid-60s. We're close to that record, but not quite there. The record of 84 degrees. But we're going to be nearing some record-breaking temperatures as we head into our Wednesday and especially our Thursday. All across the board, we have got these very warm summer-like temperatures. We're on the decline right now, but we are setting up for a mild evening, 73 degrees. We've even had a little bit of a heat index today. That just goes to show you how warm it is, those dew points. A little bit on the humid side right now, upper 40s. We've got that southwesterly breeze that is currently dying down as well. Right now at around 8 miles an hour, a little bit breezier in the bluegrass as opposed to eastern Kentucky. 73 degrees in Lexington, 74 in Jackson, and 76 degrees right now in London. We finally made it below the 80-degree mark in Bowling Green, but all of that heat in the 80s that they had in western Kentucky is going to be spreading our region for tomorrow. We'll be flirting with at least 1 degree cooler than the 80-degree mark for Wednesday and Thursday, about 1 to 2 degrees warmer than just 24 hours ago. So a very slow warm up before a very abrupt temperature change as we head into the weekend especially. Again, we've got that steady southwesterly breeze right now in the bluegrass, light winds across eastern and southeastern Kentucky as well. Now we've got a little bit of activity north of the Ohio River Valley. That will stay to the north, but we do have a couple of extra clouds in the forecast, especially for the bluegrass. That's going to keep things mild. Now, as we travel down to the tropics, not quite out of hurricane season yet, I'm sure you've already heard of Tropical Storm Sandy. She has been in the news. She is just nearly stationary right now, and she's over water temperatures of around 80 to 85 degrees. So she's gaining a lot of strength, but only forecast to become a Category 1 hurricane. Now, the big question of whether or not she was going to affect the East Coast and Florida. Her current track takes her up the east coast of Florida, but then shoots her off into the Atlantic. She's going to interact with a cold front that's actually going to be bringing us showers and thunderstorms and much colder air, but she is not expected to affect the East Coast right now, at least for what most of those models are saying. That cold front still well off to our northwest. That is going to be continuing to track across the plains and eventually into Kentucky as we head into the first part of our weekend, especially Friday night into Saturday. It is going to slow down a little bit thanks to Tropical Storm Sandy, but again, that rainfall will make an appearance as we head into Friday night and into Saturday, then much colder temperatures in the forecast. Not tonight, though. We will stay mild, a low of 55 degrees. Again, a little bit of extra clouds. It'll be very comfortably mild and a high of 78 degrees, so about a degree or two warmer for our Wednesday afternoon. The record, though, 82 degrees, so we'll be close, but not quite getting on that one. That record set back in 1939. That is for Lexington. We'll be near the 80-degree mark, though. For our Thursday, the record high for that date is 83 degrees. So again, close, but I don't think we'll be tying or breaking those. A little bit cooler for our Friday with some extra clouds, rain, and then a massive temperature drop in the forecast for next week.
Yeah, if that can impact that tropical storm and its direction, that shows you how strong that cold front is.
Oh yeah, we got some cold Canadian air headed our way.
Oh wow, we'll feel it this weekend. All right, Lauren, thank you.